We're fishing super shallow today. I mean, we've been catching crappie, at least getting hit on almost every single cast. Using this, like I said, this little white and chartreuse jig, but we're only fishing probably 1.5 feet below the float while casting into 5-6 feet water. The fish are definitely feeding up today. So we're not going to touch it, and we're going to see how many more we can catch just like this. What are you? A little undersized one. Like how the fishing goes. Yeah, I couldn't see it either. That's why I knew it was under.
Not too bad. Oh, not big enough to keep, but.
Oh, he's in the weeds. Now he feels really big. Son of a bitch. They didn't get any bigger down here.
Not if there's anything wrong with dragging.
Hey, look at that one. That one's going in the basket. This other one's still on the ground over here. Not a monster, but they're getting bigger.
Yeah, that's
9.5, 10 inches.
It's my minnow. Might be a little small. Probably a little small, huh?
Probably another 8-incher. I ain't gonna put another. They're starting to hit hard, and they're running with it too when they're hitting it, which means to me, if this makes any sense, is because there's a lot of them out there and they're fighting for food. So they're just, fish are grabbing it and swimming away with it, trying to keep his little buddies from taking his meal away from him.
They just keep swimming. They're not really in a rush to do anything.
Right.
Yeah.
Got that one. The fucking bass.
I was gonna say that was it.
Oh, largy. A basket fish. Yeah, it's a basket fish. Got caught in the weeds. Heck yeah.
There you go. Good one.
Chris might actually be eating dinner tonight. There we go. Get some keepers rolling in here now.
Fish.
We got a new leader. Look at this guy. Okay, this is officially the smallest fish of the day. There's no way to even make that guy look big. I don't know if he's big or in the weeds. I think he's in the weeds. Yeah, he's in the weeds. Nah.
Isn't that a black one?
Yeah, no, black crappie. He sounded big because he was tangled in the weeds.
Yeah.
But luckily, these fish are stupid enough to come back and give me another chance. Damn it. Oh, we know they're dissing. Got him.
Is that the minnow or
The jig. I'd say out of the last 10 fish I've caught, 9 of them have been on the jig. And I think the one I caught in the minnow was a bass.
water? It's like getting caught in the weed. Oh, you got a good fish.
Yeah, he's pulling out line, but he's not that big. I mean, wasn't pulling out like line from my reel, but the line was shooting out.
Oh no. Fish on?
Yep. I think.
Sorry, I was listening to your story, not looking, and I looked up and bobbed her down. Still got some crappie out here. They're being very cooperative today. Everything is like right in the lip. I haven't had one that I had to yank out of its gut, so it's been